Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix some minor problem in your Windows PC or laptop. So guys, if you are using Windows PC or laptop and you are facing some minor problem like taskbar is not working or start menu is not working or any another minor problem, so you can resolve and you can try one method to resolve this problem. I'm not sure this method will work in all problem, but just you can try. So click on start, type cmd. Now right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Now type one command line, sfc space slash scan now scan now. So sfc and space slash scan now. So type this command line and wait till this processor will be complete. It will take about 20 to 30 minutes as your PC speed. So hopefully guys, using this simple and easy method you can fix and you can resolve some minor problem in your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method useful for you or not.